Hi everyone, Chendil here for TechBall Life. Nowadays, the truly wireless earphones were capturing the tech market slowly, and also they were available for a budget-friendly price. So today we are going to see about the truly wireless earphone from Oppo, which is known as Oppo Enco W31. This is one of the most competitive truly wireless earphones in the budget segment. So, what is special in this earphone? Is it worth for the price of Rs 4000? Let's find out in this video. So, let's get started. First, starting with the design and build quality. So we're going to talk about both the pros and cons of it. So starting with the pros, it comes with a round soft pebble case which is very portable to fit in your pocket. So it's very easy to carry around. Whenever holding the case, it feels so smooth and compact. And coming to the earphone, the design was very good. And it has a secure fit. As you can see, we've been tested by shaking it very hard, but it fits perfectly in the ears. And wearing it for a long time is not problematic either, which is all thanks to its lightweight build, so that you can do workouts by wearing this earphone without any problem. The inside of the case comes with magnetic, so it perfectly fits in the case once you put the earphones inside. And it also feels very light because it weighs around 50 grams. And it comes with the IP54 dust and water resistant certification. Surely, this is one of the compact and portable truly wireless earphones. There is no doubt on it. Now coming to cons, when I trying to open the case with one hand, it's really hard to open. And the other thing is the lid feels so plasticky. It feels kind of very loose, so it closing the case very quickly, as you can see here. There is a support for IP54 dust and water resistance, but Oppo mentioned on their site by saying that there is no guarantee should be given in extreme conditions, so make sure you don't dip it in underwater. Next, the features and audio quality with pros and cons. It comes with a small 7mm driver and it supports SBC and AAC audio formats, so listening to music on it on the balance mode was a pleasant experience, but it doesn't have high-res audio or aptX or LDAC support, which was available on the Oppo Enco M31. The pairing option is very fast. All you have to do is put the earphones inside the case, then press and hold the center button for 3 seconds. Once it blinks, the Bluetooth visibility for this earphone can be shown on your smartphone. So, you can just tap the name to pair the earphone with the device. And mainly it comes with Bluetooth version 5.0 with binaural low latency technology. So the latency level on this was quite good. So if you are watching movie, there is no problem. You can watch it without any lag or latency. And coming to gaming, the latency was surprisingly very low. Most of the time it's been unnoticed. So for gaming, this truly wireless earphone performs great, and I was totally surprised when gaming on this because I didn't expect this much of latency on this earphone. It was very good. And also it comes with dual microphone noise cancellation for calls. The call quality was good, but it doesn't cancel that much of noise from the background. So overall the call quality was quite decent and nothing much to complain about it. And coming to gestures, to play the next song, double tap on the right side. But sadly there is no gesture option available to play the previous song. And to activate Google Assistant, triple tap on either side. And tapping twice will make you to attend calls. It activates the bass mode when you double tap on the left side. So these were the gesture options available in the Oppo Enco W31. So coming to audio quality. The audio quality on this was very good. The lows, highs and mids were separated correctly. There are no issues. And the distortion level is also very good. So if you're listening to full volume, the distortion is not there. And coming to bass, the bass mode on this was enhancing the bass, so it produces good quality bass. So in terms of audio quality, it doesn't disappoint you. And it has a wear detection feature, so it perfectly works with the help of an inbuilt infrared optical sensor. So if you want to pause music or video, just take it out of your ears, and if you want to play again, put it right back on your ears. So you don't need to take out your phone each time. And finally, the battery life. I was not surprised by the battery life, but for me it's not a big problem. When I watched a movie for more than 2 hours and listened to some songs on my playlist, it gets dried. I was listening with maximum volume with bass mode, so it lasting about more than 2.5 hours. Once I kept it on the case, it gets charged, so no problem for me. But for gamers who play games more instantly for many hours, then you should consider about the battery life. So coming to the final verdict, who can buy this earphone? If you have an Oppo mobile which runs in ColorOS 7 and not owned an A series or F series and budget Oppo Reno smartphones, you can buy it. Because for particular Oppo smartphones only, the pairing will be very fast, like the AirPods pairing with iPhones. Apart from that, if you are a casual music listener or a casual gamer, or if you want to experience the truly wireless earphone at this budget, then this is one of the best options available for you. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video will be very useful for you. Catch you guys on the next one. Thanks.